morning. Can you hear me? Hello, good morning. Hello. Open. Today our topic is about reporting database and how to communicate with client. Yes. So for database management, you know that we use mostly like Google Sheets. Okay. So
Okay.
I think you worked before on Google Sheets or no?
I've worked briefly on Google Sheets.
Okay. So you know how to create the documents, and then you can click on blank and you can create the documents. But I have the reporting database, so I can show you how you can make this reporting database, and then you can give your client access that every day when you update the list, so the client can see. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's start. Uh, from this sheet. So here is two sheets. Okay, one sheet is for listing and another sheet is for sales. Okay,
Okay.
the first column is like serial number, the second column is like date edit. When you edit the listing, okay, you can put the column. Okay, then the third column is source link. From which suppliers you are sourcing that product, you can put here. Okay, the link of that supplier or the link of that product. Okay, selling site link, maybe if you are selling on eBay or Amazon, you can put this product link here. Okay, and the item title. Okay, you can put the item title. What is the title of the item? You can put the cost. Okay, how much it costs on us, like tax, how much is the tax? Okay, how much is the shipping? How much is the site fee? Like site fee is like for Amazon. And total cost. Okay, total cost is 161, and sale price is 211, and profit is 50. Okay, so profitability rate, you can put the profitability rate, how much is the profitability rate is there. Okay, and status is active or inactive. Sometimes it's get out of stock, so you can put here status out of stock or inactive. Or sometime you delist the listing, so you can put delisted or an inactive. Okay,
Okay.
sometime you didn't find the product from one supplier, so you can put the another source. Okay, alternate source, of another supplier for the same product.
Okay.
Yeah, I will send you these lists. Okay, so
Thank you.
don't worry about this
Okay,
list.
sir.
So the second is the selling. Okay, the sales. Okay, so when you say you can make a column for serial number, a column for order number on eBay or Amazon. So you can put the order number of Amazon or eBay. Okay. Then you can put the client name. Okay. The client name with the address or something. Okay. And then you can put the date of the sale. Okay. And
Okay.
then you can put the sales price. Okay. Status of the sale. Okay. You completed or cancelled, or it's out of stock or something. Okay, you can put here completed sales. You can put the price of completed sales. You can put the cost of the item plus tax. Okay. uh, eBay fee or Amazon fee. Okay, here, and total cost. Okay.
Okay.
And the same you can like put the profit. Okay. And the source names means like supplier, from which supplier you are going to buy. Okay. Or you bought from a product from the supplier. Okay. Order number on the source, it is the order number of the supplier. Okay. There was the order number of Amazon, here is the order number of supplier. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, which is on your invoice. Okay, you can put
Mm.
that. And then the tracking number. Okay, what is the tracking number of the product? Okay, you can put here. Carrier name, like if any of the carrier like UPS,
Canada
Canada
Post.
Post, and like different. So you can put. Sometimes supplier don't like update the tracking. Okay, so you can put here no or yes. If the tracking is updated, so you can put yes. If the tracking is like in process, you can put in process. If the tracking is like not available, so you can put not available. Okay.
Okay.
So when you, here is the share. Okay. When you share with your client this sheet, she will be able to access anytime the sheet and see the progress of your work. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the uh, uh, database management. Okay. So if you need anything, any information about it, so you can tell me, so we can go for another for our communication.
So this sheet is for like when customers order, or maybe you're asking suppliers to supply
No, this is for the,
everything.
this is for the customers. Okay. When the customers, your listings get live, go live. Okay. So after
Okay.
going live your listings, when the sales start, so you can update this sheet every day. Okay. Every
Okay.
day, maybe this is copy paste work. Okay. Just you
Okay.
can copy from there and paste here, copy from there and paste here. These all informations are there, but you need here because your client is every day monitor you. If you don't update him or her, maybe you can lose the client. Okay. So you can update this for your own safety. Okay. So
Okay.
this is for listing. Okay. Every day when you list new product, you can put these informations here.
Okay.
You know, when
Mm-hmm.
you create the listing, one is the creation of listing, one is the sales of the listing. The sales is different, the creation is different. When you put some new product into your store, you
Mm-hmm.
can put in your inventory. This is like your inventory.
Okay.
You know that this product is available with me. And when you sell, you update this sheet. Okay. So Now we are going to see another screenshot about Slack, okay, for communication. Let me introduce you to an easy to use messaging app, okay. Its name is Slack, okay. On Slack, we usually do our office work or remote work communication with our clients or suppliers or anyone like who is involved in our business, okay. For instance, if you are doing like your virtual assistant work, so you need you have different clients from different channels. For some of clients you are providing services, for some of clients you are getting from them services, for some of clients you are going to meet them. So that's the thing, like the Slack is so safe communication uh, app, okay. So
Okay.
when you use this communication app, no one can access your data like your mobile number, your email, or anything. They just know you from your name.
Okay.
They don't see your email, they don't see your contact details, they don't access your anything, okay.
Okay.
So that this is safe uh, app, so you can we use for our business this Slack, okay. So imagine all your team communication in one place, wherever you go. That's Slack, okay. Available for Mac, PC, iOS, and Android. It's available for all communication machines, okay, like for laptop, for desktop, for Mac, for PC, for iOS, for Android, okay. So you can
Yeah.
just download it and start,
Okay.
make your channel and start, okay. It's used by the people who put a robot on Mars, okay. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is one of the tens of thousands of the team around the world using Slack, okay, to make their working life simpler, more pleasant, and more productive. Because this application is so easy, you can share pictures, you can share documents, you can share anything on with your client about the work only, okay. So you can share videos, you can share anything what you are making for your client.
Okay.
uh, Now we are going to see messaging app, okay. Welcome to Slack. Slack brings all your team communication into one place. Uh, we just see this. This is created by Flickr co-founder Stuart Butterfield, the San Francisco-based company. Okay, it has over 200,000 paid users. Okay, 750,000 people access the service daily. Customers include Adobe, the New York Times, HBO, and Expedia. So the growth rate is going so fast up. You can see the this graph. Starting off with Slack, okay. Start with the pilot team. You can start with the pilot team. Try using Slack exclusively for a day with a small group of people you work with closely. Instead of sending emails, IMs, Skype messages, so that your team can realize the benefits. So start with a pilot team. Keep your starting set of channels small, okay. You can create channels into your this Slack, okay. when you open the Slack, there is channels. You can create the channels there for your every work. Like if you are doing with you, if you are if you want to communicate with me for different projects, so you can make a channel with my name. Okay,
Okay.
Agha's channel. So you can communicate with me into my channel, and this channel you can put on private mode. So you can just me and you will be connected there. No one can see this channel. So that's like discussing a project, a regular topics like lunch, create a new channel. Okay. Start with a pilot team. Like you can see here is like different channels or direct messages. You can do even direct messages with some with any one of your team member. Okay. Try using Slack exclusively for a day with a small group of people. Okay. Keep your starting set of channels small. Okay. Communicate in open channel. Draw your team into Slack. No one wants to miss out on critical conversations. Gain visibility into everything happening in your team. Build a database of organizational knowledge with zero effort. Okay. So it's very easy. Like if you come, like if you want to start your work at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, so you can send a message into the Slack board. Uh, so every employee can see the message that what my boss wants, or what projects I have to work on it, what projects is like what projects we launched new, or if we are finalizing any project with our clients. So every of your team member or your client can see that. Okay. Integrate with as many tools as you need. Okay. This is the integrated app that you can use with any of tools. Current Slack integrations. The Slack integrations are with these all channels. Okay, all these apps like Twitter. You can see Google Documents, Cloud 66, Box, different like uh, big brands. Okay, big
Okay.
applications. Set up your team preferences. Okay. Choosing the right preferences helps everyone on your team get the best possible experience. We will go over some of these key preferences below, but more information can also be found in the team settings section. So, like in team settings sections, you can make changes like team sign up mode, default channels, username policy, username real name display. Okay, require for mentions. Like in Slack, without mentioning a person, you can't message anyone. Okay, when you message to some of your team member, you can mention him, so then he can see the message. If you don't mention and after 2 days you can ask, oh, I send you a message, you say, where is the message? Oh, it's general message, it's not for me, because you don't mention me. So you can mention him. The mention is with
Okay.
at the rate, like at the rate.
Okay.
At, yeah. Team signups. Okay. SSO, enabling single sign-on. Okay. When you make an Slack team, okay, you can have a single sign-on. When anyone click, it can open for anyone. Okay. You can invite team admins. Owners can invite new team members to Slack from the invitation page. Okay, you can invite anyone to select default channel for new users, encourage channel creation and integrations. Okay, so you are able to make a default for users. Okay, you can even like integrate different channels, okay, or different users, add more owners or admins. It's lonely being the only admin on a team. Appoint additional owners and admins early on. Okay, you are able to delegate your tasks as an admin to any of your team members. Okay, there are 5 different roles a person can have on Slack team, each with their own level of permissions. Let's see. Owner, admin, member, single channel guest, restricted account. Okay. So we have 5 type of uh, permissions for single member. Okay. Establish channel conversation conventions. Okay. So this is your channel list. You can see like on the screen. While we don't recommend trying to set up every channel in advance, it can be useful to create a few channels that reflect the structure of your organizations. Like you can make like different channels, like finance channel, if you want to start conversation or communicate with your finance guy. Uh, if you start a conversation uh, with your client. Okay, so for different clients you can use different channels, because for every client, if you use one channel, so maybe something is like maybe something like your client can say, so you can't understand because of 2 3 clients, if in the same time they can message you, so it is you will be unable to understand what they are saying. Okay, so you can make for your every client separate channel as per my suggestions. Like you can see examples here are a few examples that have worked for other organizations. Team channels, topical channels, project channels, location based channels, integration based channels. Like these are channels, you can see billing channel, engineering, OPS, sales, support, web. Okay. The channels have blogs, general channels. Okay. The general channels are included into your channels list. You can add every employee here for general conversation. A testament to success of Slack. Okay. This is the Slack's performance. Okay. So far. Files and links. If you want to send any files, you can send. If you want to send any link, you can send. It's easy to share a file within Slack. You can drag and drop from your computer, upload a file, or paste a link from services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Similarly, we can make it easy to share web content like articles, tweets, images, and video. Okay. Find whatever you need in seconds. The advanced search indexes every little bit of files edit and searches within shared documents and metadata, not just titles. Narrow your search using special modifiers like in a specific channel, from a particular person, during a certain time period. Filters results by recency, relevancy, and file type. Okay. Now hi to Slack board. Like here is my own Slack board. I can show you what we are using in our company. So now we can go there. See, for instance, this is for we are talking in general conversation. So like, see, this is my client, one of my client. Another my client. Okay. I make for every one a channel. Okay. Like, see, this is the VA, this is me, and this is the client. Okay. So but if I want to talk with my client, I can say, oh, I mention her, like, so I can send. So when I send, it means like I am talking to gift because I am mentioning her. If I want to talk with the other guy, so I can mention him. Okay. So if I want to add people, so where I go here. Okay. I click on this, add to this channel. Okay. So I am able to add anyone to this channel. Okay. So if
I didn't see where you clicked when
this
you're
is
adding.
here.
Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it.
Seen it? Okay. And you can see here your channel members. Okay. These are the members of this channel, the specific channel. Okay. So if you are going to make a new channel, okay, for instance, you want to make a new channels, so you can go add channels, like create channel. Okay. So I can make a channel with your name. Okay. For instance, like wholesale channel. Okay. Wholesale Amazon. Okay. So if you want to make it like description, you can put the description of channel, what we are, what is this channel for, why this channel for. Okay. And I can make it private. You are able to make it public or private. If you don't make it private, you can just leave it. If you are making private, you can just make it thick. Okay. So you can create here channel. When you create the channel, okay, if you tell me your email address, so I can invite you, and then we can conversate here. So it's very easy. Okay. But you need for this email of any email. Okay. So you can give to your like when you make this channel, you can give to your you can ask your client that I want your email address to invite you into Slack. Okay. So you can download Slack, we can communicate in Slack. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the next thing, okay, if you want to send a document, you can just click here from your computer or Google Drive. So if you click here, you can, for instance, if you want to send this document, you can just click and you can share. Okay. This is the document gone. Okay. After this document gone, so you
Okay.
can mention that person, to which person you are sending. Okay. You can mention that person. Yes. This is for
Okay.
okay. So
Yeah.
see, this person is not in this channel. So the Slack is saying that invite them.
Invite them.
So if I invite him, so he can see this channel. Okay. So the next thing, when your work is complete, you see, oh, now I want to close this channel, you can just go here, more options. Remove channel. Okay. Here, leave without, leave wholesale. And when you left this channel, it will go like now. So now if you want to talk in general way, like in generalized way with anyone, you can just go to random. Add anyone in random channel. Okay, so you can just say any random thing to anyone. If you want to talk to everyone in that in all channels, you can just mention them and say, oh, you can say, for instance, you can tell to Wakar hi, and now Wakar can respond you, and all the people are seeing this message. Okay, after this, like if you want to send direct message to Wakar that no one can see, so you can click here Wakar on his name, okay, and send. Hi brother. Because it is for him, so you can't mention it, because it is for him. Please give me update. So that's the process, that how to use the Slack. Okay, and if you want to add someone in direct messages, you can just add teammates. Okay, so you can be able. So now let me show you the channels, different channels, like settings, about the settings of channels. Okay, you can go in settings and administration. Okay, you can go in manage members. Okay, if you want to remove someone like from your organization, you can do from here. Okay, like see here, you can, for example, when you deactivate a person, he can't be here, but you don't have, you are unable to remove the person. Okay, but he is, his name is here, but he is not here. If you want to activate this person, you can activate. Okay, so the email can go to him and he is activated now, but he is inactive. Okay, once again, I want to deactivate him. So when you deactivate him, so he can't see and can't come to your uh, channel. Okay, so which people are using the Slack very regularly, they shown here active. Okay, which people don't use the Slack, they will be shown here not active or deactivated. Okay, so are you here? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So now we can go to our menu and see settings and permissions. Okay. Admin approvals, you can by default, any member can invite new people to your workspace. If you would like, you can change this so invitation required. If you give approval to any member of your team that he can invite anyone to this Slack channel, so they will be able, but without your permission, they are unable. Okay. Channel management, choose who can create, achieve, remove members, and manage posting permissions in channel. Even you can delegate your tasks to anyone that he can manage the channels and can create or remove members or post the messages to anyone. Okay. Select connect for channels. Okay. Choose who can request to share channels, where those requests are sent, and who can manage them. Okay. Like in this case, if you are doing like any training or something, like if you want that someone can take part in your training, so you will be able to enable uh, that uh, that setting. Okay, so your any team member or any of your client can share the link of that channel to anyone, so he can join just to click on the link. Okay. Then file uploads. Okay, file uploads for Slack Connect. Okay, choose whether people can upload files from their device or share files already uploaded in Slack to channels and conversations that include people from outside virtual assistants. So anyone can, like in your team members or from outside, if you want that, they can send you any document, so you can create a link for them so they are able to send. But in your organizational environment where you created this Slack channel, so anyone is able to send you any documents or upload any document. Okay.
Okay.
Some of paid plans are there. Okay, some of the plans are free, some of the are paid. Okay, so you can use by your own choice. Okay. Custom
Which one are
emojis.
you using? Paid or unpaid?
No, I am using unpaid for now because my team is so small. So I am using. But I can see in future if I can.
Okay.
So that's the Slack. Okay, if you need any more information, so you can tell me, so I can send you these two files. Okay.
Okay.
And the link for the Facebook group. Okay. And
Okay.
the Slack link to start, if you want to start with your client, so you can create your Slack channel now.
Yeah, I want
And
to create my channel now.
yeah, so when you sign up, and then you can be able, like if in future you can get any clients, so you can ask them to join you. Okay. For communication. So
Okay.
let's share this list with you. Check your email. Did you receive? Thank you very much for your time. Okay. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
then I will send you the those